Silent Valley Nature Reserve, a tranquil retreat in the heart of the valleys. Managed by Gwent Wildlife Trust, this is a truly magnificent place to visit. The reserve was designated a Site of Special Scientific Interest in 1984 and boasts the highest naturally occurring beech wood in Britain. The Nant Murddog stream, a tributary of the River Ebbw, flows through the woodland. The reserve is home to all kinds of wildlife, including bluebells, rare butterflies, dragonflies, lizards and autumn fungi. Climb high to enjoy breathtaking views. The reserve is striking in all seasons. Stretch out to the upper slopes to see heather-blanketed hillsides. Once an industrial landscape, now a wildlife haven. Gwent Wildlife Trust works to conserve and manage Silent Valley to benefit both wildlife and people. Please support our nature reserves appeal. Donate to help your local wildlife. Visit www.gwentwildlife.org/appeal.